team this could be.
이 가보자. 얼플. 얼플 되네. 이 누군가.
Brawling is the name for these two ladies. Two girls, one pop, and that was what they came up with. Two girls who like to fight.
We saw Alex Windsor coming to the aid of her fiance Will Ospreay this past Wednesday night at Dynamite, and it wasn't just Windsor. She brought the United Empire, Francesco Akira, Henare, and the IWGP Heavyweight Champion Cal Newman.
And you see, obviously, that Tekla and Marina will try to get a quick start, and that they do.